Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best red yeast rice supplements available on the market, red yeast rice with CoQ10 from Nature's Craft. If you're looking to boost your heart health, manage your cholesterol, and improve your overall cardiovascular system, this could be exactly what you need. Let's start by talking about the key ingredients in this supplement. Red yeast rice has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to support healthy cholesterol levels and heart health. It's a naturally fermented rice product that contains compounds that help promote healthy blood circulation and support a balanced lipid profile. What makes this product stand out is its powerful combination with CoQ10, a potent antioxidant that helps maintain a healthy heart and boosts energy production in your cells. Together, these ingredients work synergistically to promote heart health, reduce fatigue, and maintain circulatory wellness. This red yeast rice supplement contains 1,200 mg of red yeast rice per serving, paired with 100 mg of CoQ10. This high-potency formula ensures you're getting a powerful dose of both ingredients to support your body's cardiovascular needs. Whether you're looking to maintain healthy cholesterol levels or enhance energy production at the cellular level, these ingredients are formulated to help you feel your best. Nature's Craft has also made sure this product is vegan, non-GMO, and third-party tested, meaning that you can trust the purity and potency of each capsule. It's made in a GMP-compliant facility in the USA, ensuring you're getting a safe and high-quality supplement with every bottle. Plus, it's free from MSG, so you don't have to worry about any unwanted additives. Now, let's talk about how to take this supplement. For optimal results, it's recommended that you take 2 capsules daily, preferably with a meal and some water. This is an easy routine to follow, and with 120 capsules in a bottle, it's a great value for a full month of support. This product is designed to be a safe and effective addition to your daily routine, but, as always, it's important to consult your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement, especially if you're on medications, pregnant, or nursing. In conclusion, if you're looking for a reliable red yeast rice supplement that combines heart health support with energy-boosting CoQ10, Nature's Craft's red yeast rice with CoQ10 might just be the perfect option for you. Make sure to give it a try, and feel the difference it can make in your overall vitality and heart health. Thanks for watching Product Critique.